stop playing with him.
Jadavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his
Pussy in your
bitch.
face, that'll put you in your place.
Boom.
7 letters on the plate, fuck you when I break.
Bitch.
I got cars, I got bags, I got real estate. Foreplay, I ain't come to play. I got big fish.
So today I'm actually going to go on with a concealer. I'm using the shade Skip, and I'm packing it all over my lid. This shade is like the perfect neon pink, like, oh, total vibes. Blending it out, going on with Love That. I really do love that shade. It's so nice. Like, I didn't get the chance to tell you guys in my last tutorial that I absolutely love these brushes. The palette's awesome too, but the brush set, you guys, like, I'm so in love. It has makeup brushes for literally any type of makeup look ever, okay? I'm currently doing a cut crease, as you guys can see. And yeah, in this tutorial, I'm doing a full face with James Charles brushes, so you guys can just automatically assume that every brush in this tutorial is from the James Charles palette. And yeah, that purple shade that I just put on, Artistry, I guess it might work better if your brushes were wet. But yeah, I had to really like pack it on there. But yeah, I'm currently using the Morphe eyebrow kit. It's great for beginners. It's got all different types of, you know, colors that you need. That Morphe pencil, I like it. I just didn't like the eyeliner that I was using. But yeah, my makeup tutorial, makeup routine is normal. Like, it hasn't changed. I'm gonna list all the items that I used, but I really wanted to talk about the brushes because in my last tutorial, my mom was like, oh my gosh, you didn't even tell us if you like the brushes or not. And I was like, okay, my next video is for you. So mom, this is for you. I absolutely love the brushes. If you don't have a brush set, or if you like to use brushes and you don't have brushes, go and get a Morphe set. Even if you can't afford to get the James Charles set, Morphe has affordable sets and they have great brushes. So honestly, I'm in love. The BH Cosmetics, I did a cruelty-free vegan brush set using the, what do you call those? The BH Cosmetics brushes, and oh my gosh, you guys know what BH Cosmetics prices are like, and those brushes were amazing. So I have brushes now. I might get a few more from BH Cosmetics because they're dummy cheap, but this James Charles, oh, you guys, this thing is actually to die for. Like, I absolutely love it. I really love this brush I'm currently using. Like, that brush is this brush right here, it's so soft. It doesn't make my powder look cakey, honestly, because it's like so soft. It's not like a super firm brush. And this contour brush is super soft. I really love it. I love the way it, you know, glides on my bronzer. I don't like this bronzer in particular, but I love the way it puts on the bronzer. And then the blush brush, y'all, I absolutely, like, this blush brush is amazing. Like, it's literally amazing. I'm so excited. I'm really happy to have this brush set. Yeah, I'm just smoking out the bottom. You can virtually put any color that you like. Any color would be popping, but I just decided to match. And here I am taking that same eyeliner brush. And I actually like the eyeliner brush. I just didn't like the eyeliner. Then the contour brush just snatches it up. And yeah, honestly, this brush set is amazing. I've been doing so many makeup looks. Stay tuned. Tomorrow's tutorial is gonna be a green makeup look, green for the money. So yeah, honey, final touches coming up.
All is red, looking like a blood G. He wanna give me everything like he
Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and check out my new merch.
Stop
Hey.
playing with